groundbreaking project, Omnia Holdings, a market-leading manufacturer and distributor of chemical services and solutions to the agricultural, mining and chemical industries, engaged Karabina, experts in business technology solutions and the Microsoft platform to provide a complete digital transformation of their systems and processes using Microsoft technology.
We started this digital transformation journey approximately 2.5 years ago, and the primary focus at that stage was to address our internal processes and to improve our systems. That has now moved to a different stage where we're now outward focused as to how best we can service our customers, leveraging the technology and the systems we're putting in place. Omnia's strategy previously was very much internally focused and homegrown, and it was really based on a business that incrementally had been built up over time, dealing with huge complexity, whether it be from a manufacturing point of view, from a distribution point of view, or from a client service point of view.
We had experienced a complex environment, the complexity in terms of a number of systems. Each business unit ran its own system, inefficient use of standardization, inefficient use of hardware, software, lack of consolidation on servers.
A new CFO had decided to have a look at their core systems, their business processes, and he felt that changing the system would help them change the business.
The transformation is enabling Omnia to streamline operations to make an even greater contribution towards improving global farming and mining practices, helping to boost yields and provide better returns to customers. It is also helping the company to make a real difference in a changing climate by utilizing data and technology in order to bring about more efficient management of the resources for today and for the future.
Our decision was to use a Microsoft platform. We used it because of its ability to scale from operating system through to the technology in the front end. And a big focus was that everything looks and feels the same. You know, everybody reads left to right, so Outlook opens like that. The CRM opens like that. You know, the AX application opens like that. So the look and feel starts to become quite natural for people.
You know, Microsoft's bold mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. And we believe we do that because technology is the fundamental enabler. You know, we live in a digital age. We live in an age where most organizations either are embedding technology at the core of their business or they're building their entire business around technology.
So from our point of view, it has allowed us as a business to really buy technology and not build technology, and therefore focus on our core business, which is really in the fertilizer, mining explosives and chemical space. And that's where we see the huge advantage of working with someone like Microsoft.
In this case, Dynamics AX was a perfect fit for the business. It's core manufacturing, it's warehouse and distribution, and in terms of complex production, Dynamics AX was a great fit for the business.
The beauty part of having all this here, all these products from CRM to SharePoint to Office 365 and AX are all integrated. So from a user experience, it is a seamless process.
The key for us here is understanding at an industry level the Omnia business, which is varied and diverse. You know, so the fertilizer business, the agricultural business, the mining business. Understanding those businesses at an industry level is fundamental to then digitizing the given processes that ultimately have a customer impact.
So what we have done in building out the new system is we've created a platform that allows us to really take advantage of new technology and move Omnia forward so that it becomes a leader in its industry and by leveraging the digital technologies that are out there today.
So farmers look, they want to use technology to unlock new value. And some of the new value that's available today is data-driven products and solutions. And those data-driven products and solutions is made available by Omnia by using technologies, Microsoft technologies like machine learning, big data, and so on. And we package those products to be able to build these solutions for farmers and our agronomists to use.
As from Karabina, we see ourselves as part and parcel of the Omnia team. We're very integrated, we're part of the decision-making processes. We're tightly coupled with the business. We think Omnia and we work Omnia.
I think this example with Omnia, I think this project with Omnia is a scarce example of where a partner has been able to take the breadth of Microsoft solutions and Microsoft intellectual property across industry and across technology and provide an unbelievable example of digital transformation.
They get more yield out of their fields, they've reduced their risks, they can see that they can be more sustainable in a long period of time.
At the end of the day, our customer is starting to feel the benefits of the project. In one particular example, we've seen turnaround times at our direct point of sale in our chemical division drop dramatically. I mean, the statistics are remarkable. And we are starting to see customers coming back and buying from us simply because they recognize that the service levels have improved. We continue to deliver many projects out on an ongoing basis, and we continue to be surprised about the quality of the software and the benefit to our business. So at every stage when we complete a project, we continue to say to ourselves, what next?